Hello, Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Let's start.
Sir, presentation about literary discourse and journalistic writing is all about today. My topic is presupposition. So let's start with the slide one. So presupposition is something that beforehand are
you MA or
something.
BS?
What, sir?
BS student or MA?
Sir, BS. Walid Ahmed.
Okay, carry on.
So presupposition is something that people assume which has not been uttered by something. Means we begin to create something which has not been uttered by someone, to assume in advance. Take for advance approval, necessity of an object, condition, or matter as a preceding condition are pointing to it. An effective present occurs. We people always think about the things which are not which have not been uttered by someone, but we assume them. So this is called the presupposed thing. We presuppose the the things. Slide 2.
Yes, second slide.
Yes, sir. The main use of presupposition. On the one hand, speculation is considered a prerequisite for understanding the content of a statement and for the coherence of the semantic relationship between the sentence to make up a conversation. In this regard, they play a purely spiritual role. Means the content of a statement. The content we have, the statement we have to we need to understand the statement of a content. So uh, uh, this will help us to get the statement of a content. Sir, the types of presupposition. There are 6 types of presupposition. Presupposition triggers, which has been given by Yole in 1996. Those are existential, factive, lexical, structural, non-factive, and counterfactual. Existential means something which is exist, like my family, the tree outside, uh, the car near me. The factive, the things which are in which exist in which tell us about the facts, the reality. Lexical means the things which has the 2 meanings are which is not clear, which is not understood by the in a good manner, which is not clear in our mind. And non-factive, which are not which is not fact, which is not the reality. Sir, this is the end of my presentation.
Give any example that is related to everyday life.
Sir, suppose in existential Suppose I have said that Walid has a car, means Walid exists and he has a car. The exist, existential presupposition. And sometimes we read something are which is unknown by us, but we always assume to the process of our thinking let us to create something which is not been uttered by someone.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Mr. You start. Again, Jaman Rator is offline. Yes, start. Yes, Mr. Start. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Start. Yes, start. Mr. Jaman, can you hear me? You're online, but you're not starting. Yes, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Start it. Can you hear me?